Hello everybody, it's been a while. Let's just get straight into this today. So we're going to go and look into the work we did a while back of merging the LiveCD and admin CD for Gentoo and adding some new features. During that time we broke a few things. Let's take a look there. So the main one we broke was adding bcache fs to x86. It won't work because of the rust. For those of you who don't know, Rust doesn't work on all x86 platforms. Only the last few that were released, basically. Well, yeah, basically just killing off the last, 80% of Rust. 80% of working x86 CPUs. Boy, I love Rust. I also broke ZFS by missing off a feature that tells Portage not to use a binary package. So whenever we get a kernel update, if the package itself doesn't update at the same time, it causes a bit of a drama. This fixes that. Basically it just tells Catalyst that we want to not use binaries every single time. Simple fix. And then there is the fix for JEP. So JEP is a term I'm trying to coin for just enough portage, which basically means that when you use a LiveCD for Gentoo, you can use the emerge feature to repair your broken Gentoo install. Now, when I rebased this, I may have accidentally left out the commit that kept in all the packages you need to get it to work. So this is what we've fixed so far. And if we go and fire up a terminal quickly, might have been a bit of a while since I remembered where I stuck everything. Is it new install? There's everything there. So let's do a... Oh, I wonder. What did I call it? Oh my good god. Bear with me just a second while I remember what my name is. Right. So if I do nano install stage 2, I call this... so it's fixer upper. Right, so if I do a DU install AMD 64 fixer upper, there we go. So we can see that the ISO is now 861 megabytes. Let's get that booted up, just take a little lookies at it. So QEMU system x86, enable KVM, and we'll give it 4 cores, 8 gig of memory, and CD-ROM. There we go. So let's take a look at this booting. Right, so the first thing we want to check then is to make sure that the emerge things are now working. So if I do emerge or web sync, well, that'll pull in the newest catalog, newest portage snapshot in, so we can use emerge on our system. Just wait for that to run through quickly. How's everyone been since I've taken a little break anyway? Excellent, that looks like it's working. Let's try something out. Okay. So the one thing I want to go and check through is, have we got unneeded dependencies in here? So I think it's, let's see if I can remember to do this. Oh my god, can I close this down? Come on, go away. So let's do eQuery. Oh, I can't remember how to do it, so let's try and search for this. Let's try oh, so it is eQuery. So that's yeah, okay. Why is that not working? Because it's not got enough RAM? I think it's 16. Ah, I bet I know one. So why is that failing? Let's try Nano, see if we can get that to build. I was not expecting this. Is it because it's using... I wonder. Yeah, no multi-lip, so why? Huh. So for some reason our GCC compiler isn't working properly. Let's take a look at this first. I think the first thing we try is updating our image. How much space have I got? Okay. So what we're going to do now then is build a new install CD stage 1 using the updated sources, see how it looks. So let's run that through this section right now. This hopefully shouldn't take too long, because we've got all the binary packages built, but you never quite know, do you, when it comes to Gentoo. It's looking good so far. It's not built a single package yet. Oh, there you go. As I say it builds the first one. Well, I guess while this runs, we can play a little bit of a game while we wait. Where are your games? So this is all the Sonic games merged into one, basically. Oh. Oh my good God. Do I not know the buttons to do this? Hi Lee, you alright? Oh, you got the mug finally? Is it any good? Oh my God. Well, I'm glad to know it looks good. I can't believe I didn't win my own contest. That's the worst part. Oh shit. I don't know if he's about actually. Probably hiding again somewhere, and you know what he's like. Whoa. Ah, fuck. Oh. Well, that was like the best ever. Have you ever seen a special stage done that as well as that? I think not. Uh-oh. Why did I do that for? Oh, he is around. Damn. You just can't get away from him, can you? Oh. Yeah. I mean, you shouldn't be watching my stream while driving, mate, you know. I mean, I know I'm amazing, but I'm not that amazing. Ugh. You have a problem with me? I've got a problem with everyone. I wouldn't want to upset you, mate. You know what I mean? Like, imagine if I beat you up. It'd feel weird. Like, it's alright for you, but you know, I'm a big streamer, you know. Like, all I want to remember is how I beat up that, you know, the poor defenseless Damian. You know, it's win-win for you. Ugh. Oh, how the hell do I get that? Got it. You won't have a chance. Yeah, I would. I've got pocket sand. Have I ever faced an issue with AMD 64 NVMe boot failing to detect the root volumes? What, the actual BIOS not detecting it? Or Grub not detecting it? I probably should pause this and check on the install. So what are we up to? No. We're going through. I suppose we're going to check on YouTube, see how they're doing. Hi YouTube people. What bug is it? The bug is multiples of issues. Basically, it's relatively new, all the features we added. So we're just going through and clearing them all down. So the main one we're looking at the moment is why GCC is not working. Are you using initramfs? Because if you're not using initramfs, it won't work because we build it in as a module. Oh, fuck's sake. I mean, XFS is the default recommended by quite a few people nowadays. Ugh. Yeah, it'll be that. I know someone will be very interested in hearing about that. You know what? I love that one. Well, actually, you just got lucky. I know all about this one. funny story about why I know it as well. It's a long running joke in Gentoo. Hello. Ooh, special stage. We all know how much I love these special stages. Hooray! He's finally coming to contribute to Gentoo. Oh, one of them all down. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh, bollocks. No, just asking generally in Discord. Someone would have probably told you the answer. Oh, bugger. I would hope someone would have answered that anyway. Really? Oh my good God. You take a couple of days off feeling ill and Yeah. Well, I'm sorry to say, you're not always going to get someone online who knows what they're talking about. I mean, I suppose the solution is if you don't want to have an init RAM FS, you could have just compiled the module in properly, but oh my good god. The handbook has both solutions in it. We teach the proper way and the hacky way. God's sake. Ugh. Don't sound one ring short. Oh. Another one. Right, let's see if I can actually get it this time. Oh, for fuck's sake. Ooh, tails, get out of the way. Lying now. No. No. Come on. All sales. Ooh. Well, I did awful on that one. Let's see how I did. What are we up to on here? Oh, that's the last stage. So let's finish this off. Where did I put my vape? Oh. Indeed you do. You alright, model? How you doing? Yeah, that's a loaded question asking me how I'm doing, but I'm still here. Oh yeah, we hide away on Twitch. The cool club, isn't it? But no, Twitch gets funny if you share all the content, share the chat on both sides, so it's easier to pick one and go with that, and then just use the other one as a backup stream. So if we go and check this second config out, let's go through and have a look here. So let's remove this and put our new catalyst, new portage snapshot in. I think everything's good there. Wait, we're only removing now, are we? I bet it's that. Right, I reckon it's those which was breaking everything. So if I now build this. You know us. We don't play with new stuff, only the old stuff. Hence the Sonic for the gaming while we're waiting. Right, let's let this ISO build. How long will that possibly take? Probably forever. Come on. You. Uh oh. There we go. Ugh. Me, I'm using grub. You don't want to be up it. Oh. Uh-oh. Well, I guess I didn't want to do that. The config's easier to read on System D. Boot. I mean, it uses the old K-boot standard. But once you get into issues and stuff, you usually wish you were using grub rather than... Oh, shit. No. Okay, I guess I'm not going that way then. No! Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, grub tunes. But I don't think grub's the thing that's causing you issues, is it? It's the fact you've not got an init RAM FS, so it can't load the NVMe driver. Oh shit. Yeah, that's way past the bootloader. Oh, I've gone the wrong fucking way. I think. Oh. How far are we through on this? So building the kernel. Oh my god, come on, get out. No. Can I go down there? No. I wonder if there's anything a bit further on. Let's risk it. Uh-oh. Well, I clipped into the wall. I was almost a speedrunner for a second. Let's take a break from that for a bit. Welcome to your stream. Oh, it's my stream now. If you search my name, your name, it's for me to you find me. It's not my fault that even YouTube thinks that's not happening. Oh, brilliant! Oh, that's even better. Even YouTube doesn't want other people having to watch you. I suppose I'm gonna go and check, see if anything's gone on YouTube World. Look at that. No YouTube people. It is indeed always going strong looking for bugs. What am I even doing here? I'm finishing off looking for issues with the merge of the install CD and admin CD. I'm just rebuilding rebuilding a lot of the LiveCD now, just to go and have a check, see if I've fixed everything or not. Whereas a video, I still need to finish it off. Been feeling awful the last few days, so I've not really had much energy in me to do it. Slept like 20 hours yesterday. Felt like 20 hours anyway. What, you hit your shovel? Yeah, it did. Nice. Well, at least you got a black screen. Could have been worse. Could have been grey. Black's a nice colour. Now, I don't really know how to get one single screen working. I know people that have. I only know how to do dual GPU setups. You have to use it. No, all you need to do is have init RAM FS turned on and draw cut turned on. That's it. They're using the distribution kernel model. Like, install kernel makes things easier normally. So, I'm not sure what you've done. But somehow it's your fault. I just don't know how it's your fault. It's the nicest way I can put it. Ugh. Why do kernels take so long to build? Okay, yeah, so that should do everything for you then. Have you mounted the EFI partition and boot partition before emerging? System D does weird stuff where...
Damien Dudix tipped £20. Duper.
Well, thank you very much, Damien. Very appreciated. I can buy some cake with that later on, cheer myself up with. Oh, wait a minute, I've got to do the email AI, haven't I? Oh. Right, let's see if I can remember how to do this. Oh my god. 3, 4, 5. God, the AI's got a bit thingy in it. You seem down today. I'm full of depression, isn't I? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, I'm getting good at this though, isn't it? Like, you know, I might be depressed, but I can do a nice good straight line when I am. 17. Oh, and then he fucked it right off after he says it. Why do I say it for? 18. I think I've said 18 like 100 times. 19. And 20. There we go. Yeah, see, that's what you... Yeah. I can actually sell you the software if you want. It costs like £5,000, but, you know, you do get a license. This is the best bit about it, though. It's how I've hooked it up into OBS. Where's the old... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's the image gone? No, it's broken. Ah. Well, the image bit's broken at the minute. Hang on, let me try exporting. Export as vodka 1. Okay, vodka 12. Oh. Oh, there we go. Weep, whoop. Yeah, it works pretty good when I'm a bit thingy. Saw a better one. There can't be a better AI than the one we got on this stream. OpenMLO eyes, like, you know, very, very advanced software. It's so good that people actually think it's a human controlling it.
Leasyway tipped £4.20. Troubleshooting my Gentoo install with Mr. Amolo. The master of Gentoo. Haha. Kidding aside, great job, dude. Nice Sonic gameplay, tears of joy.
No, now I know you're being sarcastic. I mean, thank God for Patreon. Basically funds my nicotine habit at this point. Now I've got to remember how to do it again. Right, so get back here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my good God. And then 20. There we go. It's a bit of a slushy bottle, this one, isn't it? There we go. And then weep whoop. Well, you go see the weep whoop's got a little bit better. Maybe I just like hurt the AI's voice doing it too much. That's what the problem was. Hey, there we go. There's a kernel built finally. Hurrah! I should make like a sound effect that just goes lee whoop. No, I've got stupid Tommy's one still for my birthday. You know, the one we were all angry about. That's why I've covered it up. Just disappointment, you know. I'm sorry I got depressed. You know what I mean? I just keep waking up in the morning and I keep dreaming that I was Lee. And I don't wake up as Lee every morning. It gets to me, you know? And then YouTube trolled me by making me think I was you, Damian. Yeah, you know how it is. I mean, luckily there's ways around depression, like drinking. That's a good one. Actually, saying that, I felt worse since I stopped drinking. Maybe it is that. Oops. Yeah, I can't smoke weed. It makes me go absolutely crazy. So I've got an overactive imagination, and if you imagine doing that when you're off your face on weed like that, I have to sit there in a cold dark room and just try and block out as much Sentry stuff as possible. It ain't a pretty thing. Well, I say yesterday I slept like 40 hours, I think. Well, I say like 20 hours. I think I woke up about 5, went to bed at about 1, woke up at midnight, and then went back to sleep about half an hour later. Woke up at 8 in the morning. I was like, oh, that's not a good sign. So if you're using the distribution kernel, modules will have the NVMe driver built in as a module, which is why if you don't use an RAM FS, it doesn't load. But it sounds like you've switched bootloaders and using an RAM FS now, which is probably what's causing the issues. Right, so ISO's nearly finished now. So my app's now live for $3 if you search for it with the full name, which shows fine. If you only type the first part and skip AI, it finds date and K apps. Well, is your app about finding gay people with AI? Because if so, you've nailed it. If not, maybe you should change the name. Oh, brilliant. How did you know? Well, when I went to the gay bar the other day, they was all talking about it. Well, fair play to him. Hey, how come you're a Red Ranger now instead of a Pink Ranger? Model's going to go and check the other app out, not your app, though. Okay, so we've got this built. Let's go and check out the size of it now. So I'm going to go back build 23 install. Okay. Your icon on the emote next to your name. So next to your name, you get a picture of a Power Ranger. He used to be the Pink Ranger for ages, but now you've seem to have gone up to being the Red Ranger. Right, let's see if we can get this working now. So let's... Ooh. Okay, so now let's do nano, like so. Let's see if that builds. Oh, I think I fixed it. I didn't fix it. Why do I talk? Right, so there's definitely something broken with GCC at the moment. I don't know what it is right now. Wonder if... Okay. Yeah, sorry, I'm not too sure what's going on with yours at the minute. I'll have to have a think. And speaking of thinking, I'm going to have to probably go back away and think about this one and come back a bit later and try and fix why this GCC is not working. Thank you all for coming back along today for this one. Sorry it's only a short one. Just trying to get myself back into streaming again while feeling absolute shit. But hey, hopefully it won't take much longer. And good luck on the gay app, Damian. Good to see you getting out there. Right, I'll see you all later on. Keep compiling.